Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this coffee, caramel, and creamer kind of thing that's going on right now. So I'm not sure the actual name, but I will put it on, on the screen once I'm editing this video, and the title of the video as well. So have been seeing this on TikTok where you pour the coffee, the caramel, and the cream and stir. And I'm a tea girl, but I've seen this and I think it's fun and stuff like this. So I just wanted to try it and see what the hype is all about. And I think you need ice as well. So I'm gonna go get me some ice and I'll be back. So what you will be needing for this items here, it will be ice and creamer. I guess whatever creamer of your choice you can do. So I picked this up, creamer from Aldi. So it's a fat-free creamer. And yeah, all of these items that I picked up is from Aldi. It's cheap, so yeah, why not? And also the topping, which is the caramel here, and the espresso Starbucks here. Okay, like I said, it's cheap, so go and get you some and see what's the hype about. Okay, so now I have my glass. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. Okay, so this is it right here. This is the glass. Okay, everybody, I'm not sure if you have to put the caramel first, so, and then the ice. So we're gonna put the ice first. Don't want to put too much ice. Okay, so we got that, and then we're gonna sprinkle the caramel, around. It would have been better if it was a squirt bottle, but we don't, but it's all right. So that's that. And then we are going to use our coffee. So this is the vanilla latte flavor with other natural flavors, smooth, creamy. So espresso chill. So let's, all right. So we got this. They also have the other. I'll put the what's the name on the bar on the screen. So that's that. And then we're gonna use our creamer. Okay, so that's that. And then we're gonna cover this up. So we're gonna stir. Okay, so this is like what Wawa will literally make for you, or wherever you go. It's like an iced coffee. I think that's the title of it. And you guys, so let's see. So you guys, let's see. It's good. I like it. It's good. Being though I'm a tea girl, I like this. But the thing is, I won't be doing it every day. Yeah. But like if the weather is hot, extremely, and but this is good. It's very, very good. So you guys try these. Like I said, all these items came from Aldi, very cheap and everything, so you can use this for something else. And like I said, this, I know my son will come home and wants to try it. And like I said, creamer is always in the house. So again, thank you guys for watching. But this is my, it is good. This is nothing compared to the what do you call this cereal? Nature cereal. But this is good. This is good. Okay, and this can literally save you if you buy all of these things, you know, in the morning. And if you like, you know, coffee in the morning, cold chill like this, you just buy this and just store it in your fridge just to save money. In the morning, just do your own thing. Just find one of those cups or cup and do your own thing, and boom, you are done. I don't know, that's my take on it. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.